This channel gained 10 million plus subscribers, only posting 1.2K videos. And just look, the amount of views every single polling millions. So this is the right time to create shorts and go viral. So today, I'll show you how to create these exact hydraulic press videos using 100% free AI tools. And also, I create a master prompt that will make your work more easier. You'll find the link in the description. First of all, copy the full master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will generate 15 viral video ideas. It will also ask for your branding. For example, I'll choose watermelon, so I'll type 2. And for branding, I'll enter Decoder AI. Now, ChatGPT will generate an image prompt and a video prompt. Copy the image prompt. Now, open Flow AI and click on Create Image. Choose aspect ratio, number of outputs. Paste the prompt and click Generate. After a few seconds, your image are ready. Now, go to Video section in Flow AI. Select Frames to Video. Choose your aspect ratio, number of outputs. Upload the generated image as frame 1. Now, back to ChatGPT and copy the video generation prompt and paste it here. Click Generate. Now, wait a few seconds and your hydraulic press video is ready. Take a look. It looks realistic and super satisfying. Just download it. And that's how you can create these viral hydraulic press videos using 100% free AI tool. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Decoder AI for more AI tutorials.